An urgent dispatch arrives from Sir Longarm.
Congratulations are in order for the way you handled that last mission. But we are about to face our greatest challenge yet. Leave immediately for the borders of our homelands, bringing with you a select band of your best men. All will be explained upon your arrival.
You ride your horses until they're near exhaustion, and finally meet with Sir Longarm's messenger, who hands you your briefing.
Spies report that the rat is due to launch a do-or-die attack on our lands, and you must intercept and delay his forces. There is no time to raise an army, but Duke Beauregard will send a large force to help us in return for a shipment of ale. Once the rat siege force is defeated, Beauregard has agreed to let us take the rat's neighboring county without resistance. Grow hops and brew ale to send to the snake, but be warned. It will be hard to keep your people in line whilst meeting the terms of the deal. Use any means at your disposal, even cruelty if necessary. The rat's force must be defeated here.
Cite your granary, sire. Instructions! Moving off! Not enough gold. A message from the rat.
You fool! You will soon pay for meddling in the affairs of your superiors.
We await
Where
orders.
are we going?
No change in the Treasury, Lord. The rat's troops are attacking. Yes? Archers, ready! My boy's yours. Me lord?
Wood needed.
Instructions! Your popularity is falling. We await orders. Yes? Archers, ready! My boy's yours. Inside the we are on our way. Leaving now. We await orders. Yes? Archers, my boy's ready. Yours. Me lord?
Gold needed.
Our food stocks are dwindling, my liege. Our gold stocks grow steadily, sire. We await
Recruits
orders.
needed, sire.
Instructions. Our food stocks are dwindling, my liege. We await
Recruits
orders.
needed, sire.
Not enough workers available to run this building. We are almost out of food, sire. Our food stocks are dwindling, my liege. We await orders. Our food stocks are
I have had
dwindling,
a change
my
of
liege.
heart.
Due to the recent increase in army wages, I will need you to supply me with more aid. Still a fair trade, don't you think? Granary stocks
We are
are very
losing
low.
a
Our
little
granary
money,
stocks
my
are
liege.
growing, sire.
Gold needed.
A small group of the rat soldiers are heading to the castle. No change in the treasury, lord. Our food stocks are dwindling, my liege. We await orders.
Recruits needed,
Yes.
sire.
Moving off. Granary we await
recruits
orders.
needed,
Archers, ready. Our granary stocks are growing,
The
sire.
rats' troops are attacking.
We are on our way. We await orders, me lord. Instructions. We await orders. We await orders. We have survived the enemy's onslaught.
Wood needed.
Our granary stocks are growing, sire.
Wood needed.
Your popularity is rising. Our gold stocks grow steadily, sire. Our food stocks are dwindling, my liege. This building has no labor, sire.
We await orders.
Needed, sire. Our hop plants are overrun with hop weevil. The crop is ruined, my liege.
We await orders.
Needed, sire. Outlying villagers have seen a band of the rat's troops heading this way.
We await orders.
Needed,
Archers,
sire.
ready. My bow is yours.
Recruits needed, sire. The rat's troops are attacking.
We await orders.
Lord, sire. Our granary stocks are growing, sire. We are losing a little money, my liege.
You can count on us.
Weapons needed.
Always ready.
Instructions.
Off we go.
We await orders. We await orders.
Needed, sire.
The enemy are vanquished.
A message from the rat.
The world has gone crazy. I should have destroyed you.
Yes. Leaving now. Archers, ready. We await orders. My bow is yours. We await orders, Lord.
Needed, sire. My counties have been hit hard by the storms this season. I am afraid I will need even more ale to raise money for the troops. Weapons needed, sire.
We
You
await
can count on us.
Needed, sire.
instructions. Moving off.
A message from your scribe. Dire news, sir. Duke Truth has just taken one of the neutral counties.
What'll it be?
That's quite a run.
You can count on us.
Needed,
Tell us
sire.
what to do. That's a long way.
We await
You You can count on us.
Needed, sire. Outlying villagers have seen a band of the rats' troops heading this way.
We await orders. That's quite a run. That's quite a run.
You can count on us.
We await orders.
Yes, sire. The rats' troops are attacking. Castle has held firm.
We await orders. Archers, ready. We are on our way. We await.
You can count on us. You can count on us.
Can't get there, Lord. We await orders. My bow is yours. That's quite a run, me lord. Instructions. We await orders. Yes, leaving now. Can't place that there, my lord. We await orders. Archers, ready. We await orders. My bow is yours. A message from your scribe. The shipment of ale has been completed and sent to the snake. Hopefully, the reinforcements he promised will arrive soon. Me lord?
You can count on us.
Needed, sire.
You can count on us.
Needed, sire. Weapons needed.
Where are we going?
A message from your scribe. The troops promised by the snake have arrived, sire.
Moving off. We await orders. We await orders.
Recruits needed,
Yes.
sire.
That's quite a run.
Scouts report a large force of the rats' men are marching towards us.
You can count on
We
us.
await orders.
Always ready.
Archers, ready.
The rats' troops are attacking.
My bow is yours. Weapons loaded, sire. We are on our way. Instructions.
Yes, my lordship.
This will be easy. We're leaving now be a little tricky. What'll it be?
We await orders.
You can count on us. Tell us what to do. Off we go.
Survive the enemy's onslaught.
You can count on us. Where are we going?
A message from the rat.
Things are going well, aren't they? Yes. I think they are. Must be.
We are victorious, sire.